So, we all are aware of what is climate change, aren't we? Climate change is something that has to be taken into consideration on a very serious note, as climate changes are occurring in every region and globally. It is a long term alteration which will cause a lot of damage to human life in the coming future, and still, we don't pay any heed to it. Hi guys, my name is Ayush and I'm back with my another poetry video, and this time my poem is totally based upon the evil desires and evil deeds of a human. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends and family. So without wasting time, let's get started. The title of my today's poem is He and His Desires. More than 100 kilometers cloud travels, filled with ashes, smoke and some of the humans' bribes they love to handle. He writes the history of it and anonymously makes it dirty. Without caring about it, he makes himself a part of an underground mystery. He isn't concerned about it. He doesn't feel empathetic to it. Knowing its consequences, he doesn't want to improve some of it. Yes, the climate issue, the pollution, the corruption. He knows it, he doesn't want it, yet he is not going to change it. It depends upon the faulty decisions of him, as he is the only one responsible for the deterioration of the environment. Tons of flesh into his belly. Undressing flora and fauna makes him jolly. What a disastrous sin he is abiding himself to. Shockingly, he won't be spared by the spontaneous effects of these tribulations. You see, my dear friend, how cruelly he chops off those horns. He opens farms and factories, sells marine of this beautiful round with no fame expressions. Still, he wants himself to be called majesty by others, probably an unwanted truth. Deterioration of climate soothes him and still he gets warmth from this blanket. Just apologies to my mother whose flat land has raised such a sinner. Abducting all laws and rules, he just wants to ruin his mother. I will stand on the peak of this flat land just for my mother's love. Won't let him destroy this holy kingdom as he is working for disasters and I for this land's love. Thank you very much.